In this video, I will share with you 4 websites where you can earn money easily. These 5 websites are basically URL shortening sites. URL shortening sites have been around for a while, but you can also make money from them on getting 1000 clicks. If you have a large following on your social media, then it's easy for you to get 1000 clicks. But if you don't have that, then don't worry, I will show you a website at the end of this video where you can get clicks for free. So let's dive in. The first website is Atfly. This site is easy to use and all you have to do is shorten a link and share it with your friends or followers. Whenever someone clicks on your link, you earn money. Atfly pays you up to $10 for every 1000 clicks you get on your link. So this could be a great way to earn some extra cash. Next on our list is Shortest. With Shortest, you can earn money by sharing shortened links on your website or social media pages. It's easy to sign up, and once you do that, you can start earning money right away. Shortest pays you up to $14 for every 1000 clicks on your link. The third website is ShrinkMe. Earning money from ShrinkMe is simple and easy. First, you need to sign up for an account and create a profile. Once you have done that, you can shorten URL and earn money when you get 1000 clicks on your link. ShrinkMe pays up to $20 for 1000 clicks. The fourth website is ShrinkMe.io. You can make money by shrinking URLs on this site. To start earning money from this website, you first need to sign up for a free account. Once you have registered, you can start shortening URLs and sharing them with your friends, family and followers. Every time someone clicks on your shortened URL, you will earn a small commission. You can also refer other users to ShrinkMe.io and earn additional commissions. It gives $1 bonus to its users, and it pays up to $20 for 1000 clicks. Now, if you don't have followers, then don't worry. You can use a website where you can get clicks on your links for free. This website is Neondot today. You will have to watch other users' ads and earn credits for it. After earning these credits, you can use them to advertise your link. So there you have it, the top 4 URL shortening sites. Whether you have a website, blog or a large social media following, these sites are a great way to earn some extra cash. Remember, it's important to read and follow the terms and conditions of each site to ensure that you are using them correctly. So this was all for today. See you in the next video.